So today we had a group ride that was kind of special. We got to see a preview of Keith's next restoration. This is a new bike he doesn't have finished yet, and he had a little preview. We had a little encounter with a bear. I don't know how much of it we got on video. We had a real encounter with deer. Could have ruined our whole day, not to mention them. But as always, getting the gang together and going for a group ride, always a lot of fun. Well, it promises to be a brisk fall day. No idea who's going to be able to make it today, but whoever shows up, we're going to head out for a nice ride up to Rockaway Bagel, and it should be a beautiful day. Now we're just waiting for the coffee to boil up and see who shows up. We got little chocolate chip muffins this morning for the boys. Keith has gotten another bike for his collection. One of the things I hope he can, he's got some pictures of it on his phone, I don't know, we'll find out. Good morning! And the man who comes all the way from wherever he comes from, we don't know what planet yet, comes a long way anyway.
Yeah.
He must enjoy something about us. We're not sure what though.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Oh my God, they're all here now. They're all here now.
That's
At night is fucking like nuts.
my only route was when to go to see my nephews in
This is a real Sony. This is a man Sony.
Okay.
Yeah, show me how skinny that camera is. Look at he sat on his camera. Is that a collector item, or can you still buy that?
Thanks. Yeah, you could buy them on eBay.
How much is it? Well, roughly.
The really nice ones,
$100?
maybe 300.
300?
Yeah.
No, I know it.
The Canons,
Yeah, of course.
the good Canons are that way too.
2005.
I've been following.
So it looks like we got 4 riders for today's ride. The weather is absolutely a gorgeous fall day. I like that mount he has for the camera on the back seat. Nice. Anyway, we are going to head up to Rockaway Bagel. Jimmy's already on his way there. And put some more miles on the MT-09. 22,000 so far, a little over 22,000. Now early in the morning, you always have to be aware of this. Off to the side here, you can see, you can only see 2 or 3 of them. There's a bunch of deer, and right about now is when they usually decide to run right out in front of you. Look by the right mirror, and they ride alongside you. They ride alongside. They're jumping and leaping, and all of a sudden they're out in front of you. And many of my friends have destroyed motorcycles and gotten hurt, and of course hurt the deer. It's a bad situation. We try to avoid it at all costs.
It's got all the food groups already. You got turkey last week, you got some venison today, and we got some
We may see a bear before the day's over.
alligator maybe?
I don't know.
Alligator's delicious. I never had it, but it sounds good.
Those deer, if you keep going, at the last minute they run in front. I
Yeah,
can't
you
never.
have to slow down.
You gotta do that.
You caught that really well.
You gotta. Yeah. No.
So
no.
last week I was behind you with that turkey buzzard. It looked like it was coming from here, from my
Yeah, you were
angle.
behind me. You're right.
Yeah. It looked like it was coming from here. I'm like, holy shit, what's he doing?
So not long after this, and I got this in slow motion. I'm hoping you can see the bear crossing the street here, and this was pretty funny. There are bears in this area, but you don't see a lot of them, of course. And the bicycles, they were having some kind of bicycle get-together here. Well, they all saw him because they all stopped when he crossed the street. And usually they gallop across the street, and all the bicycle guys that were, they were having a race or something, they came to a full stop. And this was pretty interesting stuff. And as soon as the bear crossed, they all took off again, but everybody was impressed. And up at Rockaway Bagel, everybody bought a lottery ticket. Jim bought everybody a lottery ticket. That was pretty funny. to Rockaway Bagel. We stopped so I could turn the camera on. I said the only thing we didn't see today is a bear. We saw a bunch of deer. We go around about 10 miles later and there's a bear in the middle of the road. How big was that bear? Like,
It was a baby bear.
a baby, yeah, he was moving pretty good. Those kids on a bicycle, I bet they were we've seen a lot of bicycles today. It's like bicycle race up here or something. I don't know, we need to have a bagel at our favorite place in the world, Rockaway Bagel. The bear hunters. Hey, the RC51. If that RC51 exhaust doesn't scare them, nothing will. Yeah, it's been a beautiful day. Boy, look at the day this turned out to be. Hope we get some good footage to share today. Hope you're enjoying sharing these rides with us, especially Henry Hawk. I don't know why, every time I have a bagel, I think of Henry.
4 miles north of that.
That's not really New York.
That is New York.
Oh, you didn't put your camera on. You could have had some bear encounter here today for YouTube. So how ironic is that, Najat? I know he's got it on video, too.
No.
That is funny.
No.
That is...
No.
We don't know if the footage is going to come out yet.
So we can all do this every day.
What's your favorite number?
The number pops into your head right now. Huh?
There's a lottery tickets here, so.
Do they sell lottery tickets here?
Yeah. I'm buying a few.
You got my wife. She was scratching that thing off. She's.
You know, you never win.
Nah, you never win. It's like buying motorcycles.
A bunch of
You
friends.
never win.
To a friend of mine, I'm gonna tell her. She came to me.
So congratulations on getting a Ducati. When are we going to see it in action? Next
year.
week? A year. He bought a new. What year is it? An 889?
It's 848, 2010.
2010. Okay. Oh, we'll see it sooner or later in your garage.
Yeah, spring, hopefully.
Yeah, this is a nice bike hangout. People are very friendly. We love them. We'll see if Chloe's in there today.
I know, right?
This is funny too. This gentleman over here has a bear on his shirt.
Medium coffee. Just cream, no problem. Give me 9.
Hail, hail, the bears are all here.
Bagel just
So this gentleman happens to be wearing a bear. What did it say? Except for bears?
straight out, just straight out.
Whatever doesn't kill you makes you except for bears. That is very, very... How big? I don't know how big that... It was a baby bear,
Oh, but
wasn't
there's
it?
a lot of bears up here.
Bear? Okay, so this is not that unusual then.
No, I had a couple 800-pounders in my yard.
So we have the latest Ducati owner. He's soon to be sharing his restoration stories.
Got a Ducati?
He bought a Ducati, yeah.
848.
2, it means 2 cents.
848, it's nice. Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, that looks like it's in nice shape.
It's running on one cylinder, and the swing arm's got a hole in it.
And you already bought a swing arm for it.
$80 plus 25 shipping on eBay.
Until he got to Ducati.
Yeah, and he's like, oh,
That's a nice Ducati. The 848, it's a beautiful bike.
it's yeah.
He graduated with my grandson. They were in the same graduating class.
Same here. That's how you guys know each other.
Make sure you're the one that butters my bagel now.
That's what she got.
Do you do your hair yourself? Tell me the truth.
I need like to dye it.
Would you do my hair? You got any more of that dye in the back? How about his hair? You want to dye his hair?
Oh yeah. It's tight.
Here's your coffee.
All right, thank you, Claude. Check that credit card. Check that credit card.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Your credit card is not signed.
I
I'm
didn't
gonna
buy
have
it
to see your
yet.
ID.
The credit card says Billy Joel, not Jim. Better check his license too.
I did. I tried to check his license. It says that he's not able to show me.
Ask to see his passport. Hey, I like that purple hair better than Chloe's hair. That's nice. There's the real hairdos of the day. Thank you, Jim. We're having bear for lunch.
Ducati. I'm gonna get.
He's got a Ducati. Hey,
I'm gonna get some fuel.
Ducati?
Ducati.
a Ducati. I'm the only one I think left in the world that doesn't have a Ducati. Maybe Luciano will give me one.
I may have to get a triple to keep up with you guys. I'm running low on cylinders. I only got 2 cylinders. You guys.
And one brain only. Everybody loves their triple. Yeah, we are really having a sweet day. We're going to get back out on the open road here soon. What a day this turned out to be. The day of the bear. The year of the bear. Now it's not going to be long, maybe a week or two, and the leaves are going to start really changing orange and yellow, and it's going to be just spectacular up in this part of the world. And we try to, you know, try to go riding every weekend if we can with the group. Some weeks it doesn't work out for whatever reason, personal stuff. But some of the leaves are already changing here. This was a brisk fall day, and I know Oscar, I think, got some bear footage on this. Or maybe Najat did. I think mine was just fuzzy. But that was pretty funny, and an 800-pound bear, well, it could ruin your whole day. So we end the video, and congratulations, Keith, on a nice Ducati purchase. We look forward to seeing the work you're going to do on it, and I hope you guys enjoyed sharing this ride with us. Now, if you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click, and it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do, the painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. And thanks everyone for watching.